Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the FDD fire detection devices, CR165. This is a dual action heat and rate of rise detector. So this is going to be used, I've got it removed here from the box. Got your snap cover. There's the business end of the unit. Low profile, cast aluminum housing. Mounting flexibility with screw terminals. Single circuitry with normally open contact configuration. There is a link below this video to some documents, and let's go over it now. There's nothing included, but the installation instructions are simply printed on the box. But by all means, certainly review the data sheet, the installation manual, and the testing instructions first. So first to the data sheet. That document is going to give you the particulars of the unit. We've already discussed low profile, cast aluminum housing, flexible installation, single circuitry with normally open contact configuration. So the CR165 means it's a dual action. The 165 is, of course, the degree in Fahrenheit. The heat detector is connected to a fire alarm system. That system input circuitry, and this is the initiating device. The internal contacts are normally open and will close when the detector operates or detects either on a rate of temperature increase or if the releasing temperature is reached. Okay, we're going to define the rate of rise in a moment. It is often installed within a dressing module if it is to be enunciated as a specific room or space would be. With its non-metallic diaphragm, the detector can operate normally at low temperatures, making it suitable for non-heated or chilled environments, including garages and carports. Because it responds to the rate of temperature increase, it is recommended that it be used in conjunction with sprinkler devices, as the detector will initiate an alarm before the water flow switch. So the CR indicates in the part number that the detector is the combination rate of rise and fixed temperature. The rate of rise function allows the detector to close its contacts when the temperature at the ceiling increases at a rate of 8.4 degrees Celsius or 15 degrees Fahrenheit per minute. Okay? The closure of the contacts initiates the fire alarm sequence. The fixed temperature portion consists of a spring-loaded plunger held in place by eutectic solder that will fuse at the specific temperature in Fahrenheit degrees as indicated by the model. 135, 165, 200, 285. Eutectic, I don't know, I'd have to read the definition of the word, but it basically means the eutectic solder means that two items that are used together can achieve different states when they're at the same temperature, meaning liquid and solid, and that is the solder that will fuse when that rate of rise, the fixed temperature is obtained. So the CR means it's a dual action. On page 2 of the data sheet, you're going to see the other models, specifications of not only the release temperature but the temperature rating, max installation temperature where they can be installed in normally. Be careful with that. The second link is to the installation manual, and that's really what you're going to see on the back of the box. Getting to page 2 of that, obviously your incoming wires, and then of course going to the end of line device if there is something behind this. Okay, and the installation instructions are very simple and straightforward. There for you to review before, during, and after, of course, installation. The next is the testing instructions, very specific to test the unit. What they're saying is be careful testing it, meaning don't trip the rate of rise permanently. You don't want to fuse it closed, otherwise you'll have to replace the unit. The detector can be tested by applying a gentle heat source, such as a hairdryer. A hairdryer held 6 to 8 inches from the detector will cause it to operate within its rate of rise within 8 to 12 seconds. So keep that in mind. That's how you'd go about. Probably how you go about testing it. The balance of the data on the testing instructions, just give a full account on how to do that. If you're the engineer, if you're the person inspecting it and needing to maintain it, that document would be for you. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the FDD devices that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website as well. If you have any questions on the FDD CR165 dual action standard heat detector or any other FDD product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.